output. In this function, we configure the video output device used for output and NDI output and iPout and iPout HC. Output format, here we will set the main output size of the playout. You will select the resolution in the video format and keep the output standard. All the sizes are given in the list here. The size in which you want to output will be selected from here. From here we will select the audio format. From here we will select video out scaling. Crop, that is, whatever be the size of the content video, if you have selected the crop option, then it will be cropped and output in the same size that you have selected for the main output. Default, that is, whether the size of the content video is smaller or larger than the size of the main output, it will be output scale to the main output size. Ignore aspect ratio. This means that if this is selected here, whatever be the size aspect ratio of the content video, it will be output ignoring it. Letterbox. If this option is selected here, then the main output will go through CinemaScope. No scale. If this option is selected here, then whether the size of the video content is small or big, it will be output in its original size. All this will take effect only after clicking on the apply button. If you have installed any video output device in your machine for output, then it will be shown here. It will be configured from here. The name of the device will be shown here. The source which is to be used for output will be selected from here, like HDMI, SDI and composite. If we enable this auto on air option and save it, so whenever the software is turned on, automatically our output will go on air. Click on this button to go on air manually. Similarly, all output devices will be configured. You can output from more than one device in real time. Streaming. From here we will create a preset for IP output. Here also you can create more than one IP out preset and use all of them for output in real time. To create a preset, type the name in the preset name field and select the protocol in the target format. Select DVB and UDP for local network output. And for internet streaming, select RTMP and SRT-HC. Video codec for local network IP out, select the MPEG-2 codec if there are MPEG-2 boxes, and if there are MPEG-2 4 boxes, then select the NVIDIA Edge.264 codec. For internet streaming, select NVIDIA Edge.264 as the video codec. Audio codec, select MP2 codec for local network IP output. Select only AAC audio codec for internet streaming. Type the target URL here or copy paste it. Network device man, select only Ethernet card for local IP out. Keep it none in internet streaming. In name and key, use only the key name provided by the internet streaming service provider. Leave it blank in local network IP out. Set the video and audio bit rates as per your requirement. In username and password, use only the name and password given by the internet streaming service provider. Leave it blank in local network IP out. Set the output size in video format and audio output format in audio format. If IP out starts automatically as soon as the software starts, then enable this auto button and save. In this way you can create more than one preset. This edit button is provided to edit the preset. If you want to schedule IP out, then enable this button here and set its start and end time. Then the streaming will start at the set start time and stop at the set end time. The name of whatever graphics card is installed in your machine is shown here. Graphics card is a must for streaming and IP out.